crust, measure 300 grams of plain biscuits. Then add 150 grams of melted margarine to the mixture. 100 grams of powdered sugar or adjust to taste, and 200 milliliters of orange juice. You can choose freshly squeezed or buy store-bought juice. Mix everything thoroughly, and once combined, the crust mixture is ready. It takes just a few minutes. If you prefer a firmer crust, similar to a cheesecake, reduce the juice slightly for a crispier texture. For a softer spreadable crust, use the full 200 milliliters. Transfer the entire mixture into a 26 centimeter mold and level it. Place the prepared crust in the refrigerator to set. For the filling, use 300 grams of vegan whipping cream, brand Joker. Brands like Velcom or Macrobella are also suitable. Add 300 milliliters of sparkling water to it. Whisk everything together now. After whisking, incorporate 300 grams of ground biscuits. Ensure the mixture is thicker rather than too runny to work well. It's easier to add more sparkling water than to get extra cream. Typically, 100 grams of cream requires about 100 milliliters of liquid. You can add walnuts or hazelnuts if you enjoy those flavors. Ground almonds work well too. I'll add 50 grams of ground walnuts because that's my preference. Instead of walnuts, use more biscuits as an alternative. If the quantity feels insufficient, take 100 grams of biscuits. Measure and add more biscuits and sparkling water. You won't spoil anything or make a mistake doing this. This first part of the mixture is ready, let's move on. Next, mix 100 grams of softened margarine with 50 to 100 grams of powdered sugar. Gradually combine this with the mixture, whisking everything together. This mixture is now thicker, which is better for consistency. Since it's thick, add a little sparkling water and whisk. If you add a small amount like I did, be careful it doesn't turn into a runny mixture instead. Keep the mixture thick because frozen fruit will release its juices. Spread the mixture slightly, then add frozen fruit into it. Use 300 grams of frozen fruit of your choice. A mix of raspberries, blackberries, cherries, or anything you like. For less tartness, you can dice and add bananas instead. Now gently mix everything together. Prepare it like this, then grab the mold from the fridge. Wait for the crust to firm up. If it doesn't firm up, put it briefly in the freezer. It needs to be harder than the filling. Or, if the filling is too thick, add a bit of sparkling water and spread it slowly onto the crust. Once the cake is smooth, refrigerate it to chill.